friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Twilight Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 15. I'm outside and we're looking at what they're doing, Angel and his crew, as the decorative overlay for our concrete patio. Oh, it's so awesome. Okay, so here you can see the tape layout. That's going to end up being our grout lines for the decorative overlay that we're going to have on all this patio cover. They've done the cool deck around the pool, and we're going to use that color a little bit faded out as the undercoat for all of it. It'll be the base for our color, and then we'll build on top of that to get some lighter and some darker and some depth to it. And they've started the texture, so we can see what our texture is going to be like, because you can't see any more of the grout tape out there. It's all buried under this initial coat of concrete. Oh, you can kind of catch it in the shadows, but as you can see, they've gotten a lot of work done, and we've got all of this project going on, and it just looks so cool. I like the color variation to it. And then the cool deck looks really awesome. It's got a nice light gray undertone to it, but it's a warm gray, not so much a cool gray, and it looks really nice out here. Oh, and it's going to go all the way back over there so that the patio's all covered. But they're doing such a good job out here. Next video we'll have what the overlay actually looks like. I'm super excited to get the samples of that so that we can get it taken care of. So glad that we have this insulated cover on the pool so that we can keep so much of this debris out of this pool so it doesn't get it all clogged up and jammed. Okay, coming into the master bedroom. You can see the beautiful paint color on the wall in here too. It looks so good. So what they've laid out here is our field tile. So this is going to be along the face of the bench. But it looks so cool. It's going to have a nice line to it and a little bit of texture to it and some dimension with a different color variation to it. Oh, it's just going to look so good. So what they did in here this morning was put in the pan and then had that water tested for inspection. So you can see the blue rubber liner in there so that it seals in the base of the shower, goes up the wall a little ways so that it's waterproof and water resistant to all the spaces around it. And then right now, they're building in the niches on the back wall of the shower. Oh, it's gonna look so good. Paint color all done in here. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit so I get a better picture of this closet over here. Oh, and that ceiling that just keeps going and going and going. Oh, it's so awesome. So awesome. For Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 15. Oh, thanks again, friends. We so appreciate you being here on this journey with us. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you can be.